Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's dive deep into some intense drama unfolding in Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF. Picture this, the bustling city of Bulawayo, where the atmosphere was anything but calm during the latest ZANU-PF conference. Supporters of President Emmerson Mnangagwa erupted in a frenzy, pushing for his rule to extend beyond the constitutional limit all the way to 2030. This wasn't just any rallying cry, it was a move that visibly displeased Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Yeah, you heard that right. The push to keep Mnangagwa in power longer has unearthed some serious factional tensions within the party. Provincial leaders openly endorsed changes to the constitution, effectively sidelining any talks of succession. Mnangagwa, in his speech, called for unity and discipline, but let's be real, his words couldn't mask the growing internal strife. Now, here's where it gets really dicey. Allies of Chiwenga, clearly unhappy with this call for an extended Mnangagwa presidency, are rumored to be considering a military-backed intervention. Yes, you heard that right, yet another potential coup. This reminds us all too well of the tactics used to end Robert Mugabe's reign. The power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga is heating up and could shape the future of Zimbabwean politics in ways we can't yet predict. But that's not all. There are additional layers to this political storm. Businessman Wicknell Chivayo has been accused of producing political regalia aimed at destabilizing Chiwenga. Allegations are flying that Chivayo printed clothing suggesting Chiwenga's intention to challenge Mnangagwa. This has only fueled the fire, adding to the speculation of a brewing power struggle within ZANU-PF. Mnangagwa's sudden unannounced trip and Chiwenga's noticeable absence from the public eye have only added more mystery to the situation. While ZANU-PF member Dr. Masimba Mavaza dismissed these allegations as a smear campaign, many believe this is just the tip of the iceberg. With the ZANU-PF conference looming, Zimbabwe finds itself on edge. Will the party manage to navigate these choppy waters? Or are we looking at a political upheaval that could have far-reaching consequences? As the conference approaches, the stakes are incredibly high. The outcome could significantly impact Zimbabwe's stability and its political landscape. So what do you think? Are we on the brink of a major political shift in Zimbabwe? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on this developing story. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged,